Have you ever dreamed about building your own apps like a pro, automating boring tasks, or even changing careers to the tech industry? That journey could start today if you decide to learn programming. Programming has truly changed my life. It's given me a great hobby, a job I actually enjoy, and is something that aligns perfectly with my personality. Since I learned coding, I've built commercially viable web applications, created my own websites for fun, and earned a second income in the shape of this YouTube channel. The best part is that learning to code isn't as daunting as you might think. It certainly takes work, but it isn't as overwhelming as I thought it would be. It'll take repeated effort over large periods of time, just like with any skill, but learning programming is in fact a very enjoyable process. So if you're on the fence to actually become a coder, keep watching to let me convince you some more. Programming skills are in high demand across many industries, not just within tech companies. I recently attended a lecture explaining how courts, not knowing enough about code, is harming the justice system. So there are more opportunities than you might think. Everyone's trying to keep up with tech these days, from finance to healthcare, and there's certainly a place for you somewhere. And as you've probably heard millions of times before, careers in coding tend to offer high salaries. Learning to code will bring you closer to God, or to becoming a god at least, because you'll be able to create whatever you want. The opportunities are endless as long as they're digital. Will you build the next Minecraft, the next Dropbox, or something else? People always say that this isn't possible anymore and that the market is too saturated, but I disagree. Innovation still happens all the time, so it's certainly not too late, and acquiring the coding skill will unlock these opportunities for you. One benefit that is less spoken about when it comes to learning to code is that you'll develop a deep understanding of how the digital world works. Understanding the basics of how software and applications work will give you a better appreciation for all the hours of human brainpower that's been inserted into technology. The other day I was reflecting about the ridiculous amount of thought that's gone into creating my iPhone. It really is shocking when you think about it. The most popular reason to learn programming these days is probably to start your own software business. A lot of people have made some truly incredible pieces of software and they've been rewarded handsomely for it. I'd like to be next. What about you? I've told you all about why coding is so incredible, but how do you actually get started? In my opinion, the best way to get going is by learning Python. It's the second most popular programming language right now, is in high demand, and is easy to learn. There are many ways to learn Python, and you'll have to find a way that works for you. You can use books, documentation, or what I think is the best way, using the Bomaniac Python course linked in the description below. Learning to code is the best thing I've ever done for my self-development, and if you're ready to learn it yourself, then you're in for a truly exciting time. I recommend you check out this video, in which I talk about how I created a commercially viable web application in a way you've not heard about before. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.